This Beelicious 8-in-1 Smart Compact 4-quart air fryer offers a modern take on healthy, fast cooking. With its innovative features and sleek design, this air fryer is a perfect fit for small households or anyone looking to prepare delicious meals with less oil. Whether you're new to air frying or an experienced cook looking for an upgrade, this product has a lot to offer. Let's dive into what makes the Beelicious Air Fryer stand out. The Beelicious 8-in-1 air fryer comes in a compact, sleek white design that will look great in any kitchen. The compact size of this air fryer ensures it doesn't take up too much countertop space, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or those who want a space-saving appliance. Despite its compact size, the 4-quart capacity is large enough to cook up to 1.5 pounds of French fries or 8 to 10 chicken wings, making it perfect for 1 to 3 people. The air fryer is equipped with a large viewing window and internal light, so you can easily monitor your food without needing to pull out the basket. The Easy View window is a user-friendly addition that adds convenience and ensures you have full control over your cooking. One of the standout features of the Beelicious Air Fryer is its 8-in-1 functionality. This appliance is much more than just an air fryer. Comes with 8 preset cooking modes: air fry, roast, bake, broil, fries, steak, reheat, and dehydrate. Whether you want to whip up some crispy fries, bake a batch of cookies, or dehydrate fruits for a healthy snack, this air fryer has you covered. With a wide time and temperature control range from 1 to 60 minutes and 100 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, possibilities are endless. The air fryer is also preloaded with over 40 chef-inspired recipes, so you'll never run out of meal ideas. The Beelicious Air Fryer boasts its Max Tender Flavor Lock technology, which is designed to deliver perfectly crispy and tender results every time. This is achieved through 360-degree rapid airflow and precise IQ temp control technology. Whether you're air frying, roasting, or baking, this technology ensures that your food is cooked evenly and comes out golden and crispy on the outside while remaining tender on the inside. The results are comparable to deep-fried food, but with up to 85%-90% less oil, making it a much healthier alternative. The Beelicious Air Fryer heats up 40% faster than traditional ovens. This means you can enjoy a healthy meal in minutes without compromising on taste or texture. Whether you're in a rush to make dinner after a long day or just want a quick snack, the Beelicious Air Fryer is up to the task. Health-conscious consumers will appreciate that the Beelicious Air Fryer allows them to enjoy their favorite fried foods with significantly less oil. Air frying reduces oil usage by up to 85% to 90%, which means you can indulge in crispy fries, chicken wings, and other treats without the guilt. The air fryer's efficient design also preserves the natural flavors and nutrients in your food, so you're not only eating healthier, but tastier meals as well. One of the biggest selling points of the Beelicious Air Fryer is its convenience. 53 dB low-noise design ensures that you can cook without disturbing the household, making meal prep more enjoyable. The user-friendly top-view design with its large glass display allows you to monitor the cooking progress easily and adjust settings without any hassle. The Beelicious Air Fryer also features a dishwasher-safe non-stick fryer basket, making cleanup a breeze. If you've ever used an air fryer before, you'll know that cleaning can sometimes be a hassle. But not with this model. Simply remove the basket, pop it in the dishwasher, you're done. The air fryer also comes with a cleaning brush for those who prefer to wash their appliances by hand. Safety is always a priority, and the Beelicious Air Fryer comes with several features to ensure safe operation. The appliance is ETL certified, and it includes automatic overheat protection and a double safety lock. Non-slip design ensures the air fryer stays stable on your countertop, even during high-speed cooking. Whether you're new to air frying or a seasoned pro, you'll feel confident using this appliance. Beelicious offers a 1-year warranty and technical consultation with the purchase of this air fryer. If you encounter any problems, their customer service team is ready to help, promising to solve any issues within 2 working days. This level of customer care adds peace of mind and shows the company's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Final thoughts. The Beelicious 8-in-1 Smart Compact Air Fryer is an excellent addition to any kitchen. Its compact size, Versatile functionality and user-friendly design make it a standout option for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking routine. With its powerful performance, healthier cooking options, and convenience, this air fryer is a must-have for busy individuals, small households, or anyone who enjoys delicious meals without the added calories from traditional frying. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, or dehydrating, the Beelicious Air Fryer delivers impressive results every time. Its innovative features like Max Tender Flavor Lock technology, shake reminder, and low-noise design make it a truly enjoyable cooking experience. Plus, with easy cleanup and robust safety features, it's a stress-free addition to your kitchen. If you're in the market for an air fryer that combines performance, convenience, and health-conscious cooking, the Beelicious 8-in-1 Smart Compact Air Fryer is worth considering. It's a versatile appliance that will help you create delicious, healthy meals for yourself and your family with ease. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.